Hello, good morning everyone, it's me Kelvin. So let's take a look at today Hang Seng Index. First, look at yesterday Hang Seng price fluctuation first. So this is not gonna open, is it? Okay, let's see. 284. Today the price range is 284, so we are going to see whether right now is 284. Wow, that's a huge price up here. Okay, so right now the price is pointing upwards. It's not 10 o'clock yet, so I'm not going to make any of the trades at the moment. Let's see, in the today has another gap down and then push it back up higher. Let's wait for any of the reversal that will be coming up here. All right, so overall market, because it's a gap down, there will definitely be more stocks are going down in the Hang Seng Index, the component stocks. All right, then in the meantime, if let's say they really have a reversal that is coming up from here, then which means right now it's pointing upwards, then if let's say there's a reversal that show up, then I will go for a put or bear contract. Okay, so bear contract, what do we have here? We have like 51682 and price level is 19213, the knockout price, which is pretty far away, about 800 points. So I think this one is good. Outstanding is only 2%. So, but the conversion rate is 15,000. 15,000 then no. About this one here, outstanding 27%. That's quite a lot. Mainly are showing those that is there's a lot of put that is, I mean the there. But let's see, what do we have? This one, conversion. Second one, 27%, 51798. Okay, volume 300 over 1000, 350 over million. So I think it's fine. Still okay. There's no outstanding, so I think it's still new. And the knockout price is 19268. So yeah, it's pretty far away from it. So leverage 2427. This one is 7% outstanding. Oh, but this is very expensive. 7.5 cents. That's a bit too much for what I think. Right? Let's see how the price movement is like first. Okay. Let me adjust a bit on that. You can see me bigger right now. Hello. So let's see. So right now price it back down a little bit. We have to see. So since it's only like one more minutes to 10 o'clock, so I don't think they are going to reach the 284 so soon. So which means that we have to wait. I think the trading signal should be coming out around 10:20. If let's say before 10 doesn't hit here, then we have to wait for like 10:20. Okay, even though if let's say 10:20 or maybe 10:30, so this is two different time range that we can watch. So 10, if no, then 10:30. Okay, so if let's say it goes down lower and then showing like price is towards to the downtrend, then we will go for a back, or else then we move up. Okay, so make sure every time when we enter into a trade, so we don't rush in. Okay, so we need to have like lots of confirmation on that. Okay, thank you for the likes. Okay, and of course, if you have any questions, feel free to drop us a comment in the chat. Let's do some chatting. Okay, so I won't be so So there are some communication or interaction and stuff like that. Now we just have to wait, but seems like the momentum of the price down is pretty high, but it's too early to say that. We still have to watch. If really they have like maybe the price is down, if let's say they really goes down like this, don't rush first. Okay, we wait for it to have like a bounce back up, set another peak, and see this peak over here whether they have any reversal or showing any sign of this whole stretch over here, see any sign of reversal that's happening here. If no, then we can go for a bear. If yes, then we can go for a bull. Okay, so that is the plan that we have right now. Okay, so clear off this first so we can see it better. Right now the price fluctuation I think is still very narrow, so it's only like 100 points different. So what do you think, guys? Today Hang Seng is up or down? Let me know in the chat box. Okay, so you can see today there's a gap down here. So would they go down lower, or would they actually move up to cover up a bit on the range, on the gap? Let me know in the chat box. We can do some discussion on it. Okay, so we seem price continue goes down, but volume is not high, so I don't think there will be any of what do you call that, the reversal of the downside of the bear. The price down might continue, so I'm not sure, because there's no confirmation yet. Okay, that's a huge price fall, and then it got moved back up. So it got pushed it back up higher. And then press it back down lower, and let's see, would they continue to have price fall? Where's my rock? Okay, I'm holding this. If let's say I do any putting any own expectation into my trades, then I'm gonna knock myself one time. Okay, continue to go down. Let's see, all right, price up, up. Sound check, everything okay, mic is on. So where will they go today? Falling back to about the same point. So right now it's 10:02. We have let the price move a little bit first. Bam, bam, bam. Bring it back down. And second left to this. Okay, so 2 days ago, yesterday, I checked. There are many of you who have tried to open the account, but I didn't see you guys. I mean, there are a lot of not complete application. So do let me know. So if let's say you are facing any of the difficulty for account opening, when you scan the QR code, maybe click the link below. Do let me know, all right, so that I can help you to walk you through the account opening process. Okay, going down again. That's a huge one. That's a huge one. That's a huge one. That's a huge fall. So building some volume up, there's about like 489 million of transaction. So this is done. I think it should be, yes, it's a high volume. In this kind of high volume, we see it push back up slightly. Push back up slightly from here. Market up higher. Just worried that like yesterday the price movement morning, okay, we wait and wait and wait, there's nothing for us to trade, and then we just give it, that's it. So after that it continues goes down lower. Of course, that shows some reversal sign. Actually started to have the reversal sign. Is actually starting from here. Of course, the price went back down lower a bit, about 50 points down before they push the price up higher. So let's see whether it will have this kind of situation happens in today price. So what do I mean that if let's say it goes down and move back up and then shows no sign that they will have a continuation, then we can go for a bear contract. I think overall the Hong Kong market is a bit in the chaotic because more and more of this news about like not to say default, but unable to pay, especially the property development sector. So it's quite a concerning point. But as usual, news is news. Okay, it's already happened, so we can base on that to decide our trade or do any of the trades that we have, because those have already happened, so which means the market has already reacted to it. So if we want to know how the market is like, the best way, the easiest way to look at it is looking at the price movement itself. That's a huge fall from there. I'll just wait, okay, even though if let's say I miss the chance of entering and then the price going down, but I'll still wait, okay. I don't want to simply just jump into making more mistakes into it. Okay, I bounced back up. Can this be taken as a reversal sign? Right, let's see. It's price down, up, slightly, a little bit, but not exactly showing a reversal sign. Because this volume itself, it has a high volume. Sorry, this price down itself has a high volume. Let me show it to you. Hang Seng Index. So you can see this volume itself has a high volume. So when it has a high volume, it's not saying that it's a bottom, but it's like more like a signal of bottom. But they will have a price up first and then have another round of price fall. So let's see how far they can go for a rebound here. Then I will go for a bear contract. So in that case, I have to get ready. Which bear contract should I look into it? Sing Warren call put. Still go back to wait, 51682 is conversion 15,000, that's too much. 5161 681 67 cents. Is there any cheaper option for the bear contract? $0.50, but 50 cents, this one is conversion 15,000. That's 67. So I think this is the cheapest one, 51681. Even though the outstanding is a lot, wait, this one's 67. I think it's still alright. Okay, let's go for 51681. For me, okay. This is just I mean, like showing like how we do the trades. Okay, it's not asking you to buy or sell any of it. So just to show you how we can use the callable bull or bear contract to trade. I know there's a lot of people, many of you, especially Malaysia, and you're only exposed to like structured warrant and also options. But this is another derivative that you can look into it. You can use it for the day trade because it has a very low value. Look at this, okay, 6.7 cents, and you might think that, hey, 6.7 cents is like a penny. So penny wise, is it good? Isn't it dangerous? Well, the underlying is Hang Seng Index. So these are the issuer. So issued by some of the investment banks in Hong Kong. So this is trading listed in Hong Kong market. So why I don't find it like, why is it worried that, of course, you will get knocked out. The call level is 19063, so which is like 600 over points away. So I find nothing wrong. It's okay. We can look at it. Right, it's moving back up and down, up and down. 10-12 right now. Let's see whether they can go higher. It is moving higher. But will this price up right now be consistent? One day. Okay, new candle. If you want to go up, please go up further. Up, up, up. That's gonna take some time. Pressing it back down. If I enter into a bear contract, so I don't think that it might go down. It might not go down a lot. Up, push it up. Six. $8,000, 200,000. 1,000. So let's see. Last week my trade was really bad. If you see my live stream last week, you can notice that I keep on having the wrong timing for exit, because I'm putting my own expectation into it, thinking that the price can actually hit the price range and stuff like that. But like I always say, this price range over here is just a benchmark for us to know, like maybe it could actually move up to here. If it does move up to here, then it will have a reversal and stuff like that. Okay, but I keep on having that kind of thought, so that's why I miss out a lot of good exit. End up I have to cut loss or maybe take a lesser profit out from there. So that's why it's not a good trade last week. The whole week I've been doing that, so I keep on trying to change, and then it didn't work well. That one is more towards to my mindset again. So at least it's only my mindset that is having this kind of the challenge right now. So if it's on myself, then it's easier to change, because it's not because of the market, it's not because of it. So I can change and then make some changes, right? So I find it is good. At least it's my own emotion problem or my own expectation. It's not because of the market that it caused me this. So everything, the entry is nice, just the exit. And why I don't do the exit is because same thing, my own expectation, like what I did before. But of course, there are some improvement, in the sense that it's not like last month where I have a huge losses from there. So the huge losses is because I keep on having my expectation and then I don't do the cut loss and stuff like that. So that one is more emotion side issue, or maybe you can so call it, it is a problem. Okay, so right now, at least last week when I do the trades, I realized that much more faster, quickly. I realized that. Then after that, I can reduce the losses. So it's only like maybe few hundred losses per trades. So that's why day trading, short-term trading, mid-term trading, or maybe long-term investment is all about emotions. Like, how well do you believe in what you are looking at it? So when you are more confident into this, into the strategies that you're using, basically there's nothing, you're okay with it. So you just follow all the rules and everything, the planning that like I say, I've set to it. So right now I want to see whether they have a huge momentum of price down. It's gaining back up. Okay, pressing it down. Okay, that's a fast one. Push it back up higher a bit. Throw it back down and go down lower. Oh, that is fast. Okay, it is time. Hey, wait. Unable to connect server. Oh my god. That's so bad. So right now, I share it out. It is sent out, so right now we just have to wait. Okay. Still at 6.7. Let's see if this round of price down, the volume is higher than the one that previously set, which is here, then it will have a continuation of price down more. So let's do a marking here. Our entry was somewhere, was like this, here. Will they have a lower low that is formed within this candlestick? Go, go, go. Okay, the volume is high. Oopsie. The volume is high right now, 6.8. So we have about like $200 of price. See Hang Seng. So you can see the volume is quite high from here, right? It's not as high as this one here. Hmm. 6.9 right now. Will they go down lower? It's it. So right now it's 18337. So 4 more points to the previous low. Can they form a new low here? And no, they can't. Alright, so let's see whether they can make it in this. Down, 336, 39, bounce back up, 341, bounce back up. They are not pressing it back down. They can't press down. Let's see, 338, challenge again, 334, 1 more points. Okay, 29 right now is a new low. With not very high volume, but a bit of volume. Okay, still at 29. It's still at the previous. It's not forming a new low yet. Okay, open back up higher. So right now, actually, it shows a bit of my exit rules that is showing up in these two candles. Let's see after this candle when it finish. Let's see how is it like. Okay, setting new low, just 1 point lower only, so it's not like really it's not like really aggressive, or it's not like really aggressive new low that is forming. Another new low, 327. Press down a little bit. Price fall is getting small. So today the price range has really, right now it's 113. At least right now its form is showing the trend is set to a lower point. Now we just need to find out, to continue to analyze and see, is there any reversal that is forming and stuff like that. I think this is going to be a price pause here right now. Because if you look at it, since the opening 9:30 when the market opened, the price are marked up and it's throwing down, but it's not obvious of there are buyers are coming in or a seller that is coming in. Obviously the seller is there because there's a gap up. That's why it calls a gap up. A gap down, sorry. So they stay here like this. Okay. And the price movement of this here is pretty obvious that they are, you know, supply and demand is actually fighting each other. But we do see some supply is making some move, but let's watch. Okay, analyze, follow the analysis. Bam, up. Seconds. Okay, I have a thing here where this is a high volume, but here then after I continue on with 2 high volumes here. So by right, I should be taking my exit right now. I take profit. Let me know, what do you think? Should I take profit or should I continue to hold? Market back down. Okay, it's going back to my entry right now. 6, 7. I have a break even here if I get out. It's pushing up and the volume is not high, so they should have like 1 round of retrace, but not much, maybe up until here before they continue of markup. Let's see. Let's see what's the momentum of them marking a new low, not new low, when they have the retrace. That is fast for the price down. So I think the momentum is still at the downside. So let's continue to watch first, okay? That's when they press down quite a lot. Quite fast. The same here where they push back up also quite fast. Oh, this is fast. All right, set downwards, going, go. Because you seldom, once you see, if you are trading, once you see like sudden fall like this, very fast falling, is a sign. You don't see such a long candle like this, but when it has a long candle, press it back down very fast, it's always have a continuation. Okay, near to the new low, near to the previous low, can they break and form a new low here? This candle, they can't do it. Okay, it's a new low right now. Back up. The momentum just stopped. That's it. So little. Three, two, one, and there they go. What they have now is like fast down, slow up. So if this continue on, it's a reversal. Anyway, I don't care. I'm just gonna take my profit first, since I'm up about 600. So it's like it has my what you call that, the exit rules is there, so I don't want to take the risk of it. Okay, so so I made the profit of $500. And right now I'll continue to watch and see any re-entry timing there. Okay, it went down and mark back up. All right, take profit. Okay, so we have it here. Let's continue to watch. If let's say I miss it, it goes down lower, then I have no choice, because my capability can only see that, okay, here it shows that it's my take profit rules is out. So if I miss that out, then it's fine, because my own capability can only take this much of profit. So just trade based on how much you can see from the market. So even I know there's a lot of people in the market, they will say like, oh my god, I missed out that 100 points, I could have made about maybe another 1000 ringgit plus. But at that moment here, what I see is that I see here they show some reversal sign, so that's why I don't want to hold on to it. So I quickly take my profit first. So if let's say it continue goes down lower, then that is out of my analysis capability. So what can I say from that? Then I can only just, okay, I watch next time, I try to analyze it and then to find out, okay, what are the things that it shows that they will have a continuation of price up, right? So that is how my trading principle is. I don't want to have like, oh, I missed that much of we got that much of profit and stuff like that. But at least I got my profit back. Okay. So like I said, don't feel sad about the profit that you miss out. Okay, I rather feel sad that I didn't take the profit. Yeah, I feel sad when I'm having losses, you know. If you put it in this way, then you'll feel much better when you're trading. Okay, it's going down again. The momentum of them going down more. Yep. So I think it's pretty set. It will just keep on going down, falling and falling. 317 430. So 430 313 37. Okay, that's another high volume form. So high chances that they will have entering into a reversal soon. 35. You can see. So how much do I miss out here? If let's say I exit somewhere here, right? I think somewhere here. So around 18327. So right now it's 18309. So it's only about like 20 points difference. So when it comes into the CBBC, I think I've lost maybe about like only 1 cent of profit difference only. So it's okay. My ability can only see it up until here, but at least I got my $500 of profit. So trading is not just like keep on chasing and chasing and chasing after the profit, or maybe feeling like miss out the profit. It's more like how much you can do, how much you can trade in the market, and based on that you make profit out from it. Then of course, if let's say we want to make more, then from the from the experience, trading experience, when you analyze, when you look more into it, then you learn more, then you can capture more. Okay, it's like this. It's like you need to go step by steps. Okay, just trade based on our own capability. That is the key thing here. But a lot of people, they expect to have a home run, but they don't have that skill or analysis skill to find the home run. Then they always expect that. Then that's why they always have losses in the stock market or in trading. So of course, once in a while, maybe one out of 10 times you hit the home run. But when you hit the home run, it could be because of your luck. Let's see. Price are marking back up. Let's see. We continue and watch and see whether they will have I'm not going to just because I exit here. The reason is because I find they have a reversal that's showing up, right? So I will not reversal, but not, you can't say it's a reversal yet. From here I see that they will have a bottom, but it's not a reversal yet. So I will wait for them to show the reversal sign, then only I enter into a bull contract. So in the meantime, let's take a look whether we have any bull contract. I think there's a lot of bull contract that is a good value. Like this one outstanding is 1.21. Strike price is 17988, which is about 400 points different. Okay, so 400 points different. Usually the fluctuation is about 300, 400 points. I see a lot that's about like 400 points. If it's 400 points here, from here 180 plus. So when it's 180 plus, then very high chances you'll get knocked out if you trade this 68862, because the strike price, we need to see the possibility that it could the price could actually go down to this strike price. If let's say you find that okay, average, sometimes the maximum of the fluctuation in Hang Seng Index can go up to like 400 over points, then very easily right now from here 400 points, when it's near I think when it's the strike price, when it's about 18088, then they'll start to knock out. So this will be a very high risk if let's say we enter this one. Okay, so this is how you choose also, how you choose to which bull or bear contract that you want to look into it. 1790, 10,000. So that's why it is better that we find we wait for the confirmation first. If let's say there's no confirmation, then we don't go in. So 52 17868 868, I think is still okay. So outstanding is only 3.62, and then conversion rate is about 10,000, so it's good. That's what I want also. So I might go for 65339. Worse, I'll go for but this one outstanding 14%. 68862, a bit, because today the highest point here is 18441. If let's say really today fluctuation 441, the fluctuation is like maybe 400 points, then confirm this will get knocked out. This will get knocked out. So we have to be careful when we enter. So this, for myself, if you ask me what is the consideration to choose between all this CBBC, is mainly the knockout, because the knockout feature the strike price. Once it hit the strike price, then your whole CBBC will get knocked out. When it knock out, then it will not resume. So whatever you trade is going to lose inside there. So that's why it's very important that you this strike price, and look back into the current market, see whether whether is it possible that it will reach that strike price. If it's possible, like normally averagely Hang Seng Index of fluctuation is about like 200 over points to 300 points, but exceptional, not to say exceptional, very bullish or maybe bearish trend, then it can go up to 400 points. Okay, so we cannot ignore the possibility that it will be a strong trend today. So excuse me, so this is how we gauge the risk. Okay, so if let's say there could be this kind of strong trend that is going to happen in the Hang Seng Index today, then we are doomed. So you cannot ignore that risk, although it might not have. The reason is because there is a gap down here today. but it is still, you cannot, there is still a possibility there, so you cannot ignore that kind of risk. So for me, the best one, I think I'll just go for 65339 if for myself. I don't want to take that risk. So it's more like whether you know how to play around with it, not to play around with it, manage your risk. Alright, there is a retrace here, and let's see. Now it's 10:44. Will they go down lower? What's this? Will they go down lower? Will they do it? Or they will just stop here? So today we have a good entry. So right now I count all my entry and exit regardless of making profit or making loss. So my entry and exit, at least I follow my trading strategies, my trading plan, then it's much better. Rather than just following your expectation of making profit or not. That is the worst thing, which I have tried and cost me a lot of money, a lot of losses. So you don't want to do that. You don't want to repeat the same mistake that I do. Of course you can, because sometimes this kind of experience is like, if you don't do it by yourself, then you won't feel it. So sometimes why I always ask my student, like, they try, okay, start trading with a bit, don't with a small amount, okay, start trading it with a small amount. When you start trading with a small amount, then you is to gain the confidence of the trading strategies, and then at the same time you realize a bit of oh, okay, what do I mean by that? Okay, so start from a small amount, and also that actually helps you to build up the emotion that you to handle losses and all those. So you can start with maybe like only few thousand. You don't have to start off with few 100,000 or maybe 10 over 1,000 and stuff like that. Because if you do that, then it will you might get yourself, stress. Trading itself, it can be very stressful, but we can find a way to go around not having so much of the stress by just trading with the limit, within the limit of our emotions. But a lot of people, they don't know that. They just think like, oh, the more money you put in, the more returns they will get. That is because you only look at the returns, because that is your expectation, but always end up losing in that. Okay, so most of the time it's not because of the strategies or maybe the plan. I think I think every strategy actually works, but just that how do you manage it, or do you listen to the strategies, or do you listen to your expectation, or your expectation of making this much of profit? So when you listen to that, you can see everything is entry signal for you. For example, right now the price moving back up higher, then you think like, oh, this is entry rules, then you can enter and stuff like that. Then you do a lot of mistake. So it's not like what I'm doing right now. Okay, I took the profit just now at somewhere around here. So right now I want to wait and see any reversal signal that is showing up. If let's say it does, then I'll just go for it. Okay, like for example, if let's say I've already entered this, then sudden price down like this, I'm going to be like, oh my god, I'm going to be stressed, right? So you have to, yeah, count the times that you follow the trading strategies rather than counting the time that you make profit. Okay, so it's a huge difference. Make sure you don't count those things that it has an end result. Why I do this counting on my trading strategy is because I want to focus on the process rather than the expectation. If let's say expectation, how much money I want to make and stuff like that, then it will end up like what I did before. Okay, got blinded, and then by right I should have a cut loss. I don't cut loss. By right I should take the profit, but I don't take the profit because I want more. My expectation that I want more of the profit, but end up it doesn't show any good. So that is the key thing where a lot of traders are having this problem, but they didn't realize that. They always like blame the strategies that is not good and stuff like that. Maybe they blame the financial instruments, saying that CBBC cannot trade lah, futures cannot trade lah, stocks cannot trade lah, this kind of thing. Then they start to jump into others like forex lah, whoever say that is good, then they go into it. Alrighty. So yeah. But I would say not many people in the market. If you are here, basically I would say like you are very the small percentage of the traders in the market that realize this, okay, that you will look into this. So even if I talk about expectations and stuff like that, people would not realize that, especially new and beginners of the investor. And some even like those who have been trading in the market for experienced traders or investors, retail investor, I mean, not the professional one, they won't even realize this because they will end up just keep on looking for a good way to trade and stuff like that. But if you realize this, basically you are halfway to success in having a consistent trades in the stock market. The reason is because this, I would say, is the final step, because it's always emotion. So when your emotion, you can handle it, you can control it, that is the key to it. Whatever strategy I throw to you, you can make it in the stock market. But of course, don't look into those like indicators and stuff like that lah. Those are I myself, I don't think it works. So it's all about psychology, emotions. I would say this could actually take up to 80% or 70% of it. Then the strategy is probably taking up like maybe 10%. Then another 10% is just the what do you call it? The practice. Not just practicing the strategy, but also practice your mind how to overcome in this kind of situation and realize it fast. So I say this to many people, but a lot of retail investors, they don't understand it, and then they will always say, especially the new one, those newly come in, and then they have that kind of mindset of gambling in the stock market, but they thought it's not gambling, it's investment. They will say like, what Kelvin, what talking you, they were like, what talking you, Kelvin? Of course, when I invest, I want to make money lah. I expect to make money. Yes, of course, you want to make money. Every one of us, you want to make money. But the thing is that what actually brings us money? The process. If you do well in the process, money will come automatically. Okay, right now, what I'm going to do is I'll wait for a retrace, then I'll go for a bull contract. Wait for the retrace, and then we'll go for a bull contract. Bull contract. 16 seconds. But I don't think today I will hold for trade for the whole day because I have work to do. Proposal, presentation slides, amend a bit. So I don't want, the reason why I don't want to have an open trade, and while I'm doing that, so I can't multitask. I have to focus on this, and then at the same time doing all the work, other work. I rather just close this position and then relax, okay? Then look into just focus on my job. This is the same thing like how when you trade, don't invest or hold too many of the stock at the very start. Because if you are holding too many of it, then it will definitely affect your decision making. Let's see how fast they can press it down. If they press it down very fast, this is considered fast. Down, down, down. Then I won't enter first. Pressing down a lot. I think the price could press it down to here. It's down to here is about 3, 4, 10 points different. Let's wait. Down again, down again, down again. Four. Three. See, when the price move up, then a bull contract it is. Oh, that's a fast down. Is this a continuation of price down? Three, two, one, bam. Quite high volume here. Will they continue? Might just set a new low. Pressing up, pushing up fast. A bit aggressive, I won't say fast, a bit aggressive when they push it up. Come on, come on, come on. 330 high volume. But high volume, but price is not. Push it back. Just now, which one did I say I want already? Call 1786. Okay, outstanding 3%. 10, 6, 5, 3, 2, 9, 7. Oh, 6, 4, 1. This one 1796, 179. Wait. I'll just wait. The pressure for them to press it down is actually quite strong. It's like when they move up bit by bit, then one shot press it down. So that is considered quite a strong press down, you see? So the selling pressure is still there. I think they will trend one way until 11:30, and then 11:30 just start to move sideways. So I think they might continue go down or into a downtrend. But actually no, let's say I look into it, right? It is forming a bottom. Reversal is set. But I still want to wait one more thing more, okay? One more, a bit more. I don't mind buying at the higher price if it's a confirm. Today the price movement is like this. It's down. Actually, it makes more sense if let's say going downwards. So I think this, even though if let's say it has a price down, I mean a price up, is not going to be sustainable. Okay. Put it down to 140 today. I'm sticking for this. Okay, one here sets for me. This is 65. Okay, so we have got into a bull contract right now. At this point, so our cut loss, if let's say it goes down here. So I think up, things should have one take of profit. This will be my last trade for today. That's going to be later. If I say 12, then I don't want to carry over after lunch. I want to work. I want to work on other things. I don't want to. I don't want it to disrupt my other work process. Okay, again, if let's say you want to understand more about this CBBC, scan the link or go to, if let's say you cannot scan, go to the description box, click the link for account opening. And remember, okay, drop us a message, tell us that leave your phone number and then what's your name, so that we know it's you, okay? Because you don't want to, I mean, I would say this is a good derivative or maybe structured product that every traders look into it, okay, to find out more, so that there are more opportunities and more things that you can explore. Don't just confine yourself in Malaysian market. There's nothing much here. So look outside the market. Outside here, there's a lot of things that we can have a very good opportunity, just like this CBBC. Okay, so price marking up higher. But for right now, we have about 4 cents of profit. It's a huge price up. Volume is high, so I think they will have another round of price up first. Half an hour. Let's see how far they can go. Now it's 11. Bam, bam, bam. Let me know what's the problem if let's say you have tried to open an account, okay? Let me know in the chat box. Also can. Wow, like that, straight away go down to 5.2. Are you serious? When I got in here is 5.1. 3.47, 2 cents up. Okay, move up 1 cent. Then when it 3 cents up and suddenly move up to 5.5 just now. Up and away. Having a pause, giving them some rest. This is a high volume 382, so they need to move up to generate second high volume to show the price peak. So 135. To wait for, they need to move back up to the yesterday price level. So let's see. 5-4. Here is 5-4. I don't know why suddenly just now it moved up to 5-5. Maybe someone bought it at 5-5. Okay, right now it's 5-5. Are you going? Are you going? Yes. Are you going again? Are you going again? Are you going again? Are you going up again? Asing, asing, asing. Good, good, good. Go, go, go. Asing, go, go, go. Sing, sing, sing. Second high volume show up. So I might need to get ready for exit. But let's see how aggressive they are marking the price up first. Okay, another new high volume. So no reversal rules yet. So this is where the buyers in, but not strong buyers. I think the retrace is coming. Before they want to go up higher, slightly more higher, maybe. Yes, this is trading. It's boring. I'm trying to find a way to make this live stream like, trading live stream. Hi, SJS. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for your like. So I'm trying to make it like more interesting, I know, but I don't know. Trade is like that. Is boring like this. It does. It's so just repeating the same thing, and then of course the challenging part, the fun part for me is like I have to fight with myself rather than just fight with the market. So fight with myself, like telling myself, okay, I have to follow my rules. I have to follow my not following my expectation. Don't look into the profit. Okay, just follow the rules. If the rules come out, it shows the exit rules, then you have to exit, stuff like that. Actually, right now it shows a bit of exit rules. Let's see. Hmm, 22 seconds. I'll just follow my rules. Exit. Buy 6. Sell. Take profit. If can sell, sell. Cannot sell, then cannot. Okay. Profit taken. So today we have about 1,400 Hong Kong dollar of profit. So if you convert it into ringgit, 918.03 plus 510.71 times 0.58, about 0.58, so 800 ringgit of profit. Okay, so we did two trades. One is a bear contract, one is a bull contract. So you can see. So bear contract, we entered here and then we exit here, so very near to the low. And then here, the bull contract, we entered here because I want a confirmation first. Then we exit here. So good trades, all right, good trades. And all right, so time to go for nasi lemak. But today I vegan, so I cannot go for nasi lemak. So I'll go for my usual roti canai, but maybe a bit better, so I can go for a roti kosong. No, roti telur. All right. So thank you very much for joining. And tomorrow I'll be continuing this session, but it's in tomorrow I'll do a Chinese version. So if you want to know more and you want to continue to see how the trade is like, look for it for tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, 9:30. Okay, about maybe same time, 9:45. Then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for the likes and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So when we go live, then you will receive a notification. All right. So thank you. Bye bye.
Brown and Search. True traders react to the market.